So it has been proved patience pays, and how Family Man 2, a part of this franchise, is definitely one of the best things I have watched in over 2 years now. And I'm so thrilled and excited to have Raj and DK and Manoj Bajpai. Welcome, all of you, and thank you for making Family Man.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hello, thank you.
Manoj ji, bhiku mat rahe.
Not anymore, not
Not
anymore.
not anymore. That time is gone.
You cannot, you
Is
cannot
it?
be the minimum guy. No. Manoj ji, I have to start with you. You did a phenomenal job in this series, not just first. In the second one, it has been proved you are one of the best actors that we have. मतलब भारत सरकार तो ये घोषणा कर चुकी है, एक बार नहीं 3 बार आपको नेशनल अवार्ड दिया, पद्मश्री दिया, न जाने क्या क्या अवार्ड्स आपको मिल चुके हैं. लेकिन आई थिंक जो प्यार इस बार आपको जनता से मिला है, इट हैज टोटली ब्रोकन ऑल रिकॉर्ड्स. इस वक्त आपकी कैफियत क्या है? दाढ़ी तो बता रही है बहुत थक गए हैं, मतलब बहुत मेहनत लगी है करने में जो आपने किया.
No, जो जो reactions है, जो response आ रहे हैं, this is something in this time and age is unprecedented, and that too, we are living in a time when the contents are coming out almost every week,
जी.
and some of them are appreciated, some of them are not. The contents which are fantastic and appreciated, you somewhere think that if we could match up to that level, we will be successful. But this kind of success, I was telling Raj, DK, and all the team members, this is unprecedented. This is massive. This is not something that you can actually think of. You can plan for it.
Yes.
Either this happen or it doesn't happen. I have been very lucky to have experience in the time when there was no social media, especially in '98 with Satya, and even that time I personally felt quite grateful and indebted, because we, these kind of frenzy you can't think of.
Yes.
Am I right, Raj? You can't really plan for it. You make your subject, you make your content, you work in it. I as a performer do these two are, as directors and writers, we question, and we answer each other's queries, we do rehearsals, we perform, and you keep moving on, and you can it. They go for the editing and the post-production. But at the end of the day, even if you see a finished product, you say no. I mean, it's really going to be liked. That much you can plan. That much you can guess. You can't guess. You can't guess this kind of a
This
response.
phenomenal.
So
Great.
I mean, I'm as stunned and surprised by this kind of a love as anybody can be.
And what are your reactions? Now, Raj and DK, I have to say, the world over, and especially India, we are quite fascinated by the idea of dual personalities. Like, for example, Shaktiman, for example, Superman, Spider-Man. वो घर पर कुछ और है, लेकिन बाहर आके जाकर वो हीरो बन जाता है, और वो कब हीरो बनेगा ये आपको पता नहीं. So just watching him is a treat. Watching him is like an adventure on its own. I guess श्रीकांत तिवारी भी हमारा होम ग्रोन हीरो है, सुपर हीरो है, शक्तिमान है, स्पाइडरमैन है, जो वहां पे गीकी हो जाता है जहां उसको जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन वहां वो जान बचाने प्राइम मिनिस्टर की भी आ सकता है जहां उसको उसकी जो ड्यूटी है वो उसको कॉल करेगी. Tell me, now that it is such a big success, how did this idea come about 2 to 3 years ago in your mind, or maybe more than that?
I thought you were going to finish that sentence by saying there is Spider-Man, Shakti-Man, and Family Man now. So
Yeah.
Yes.
And we are trying to make capes and t-shirts saying Family Man and wear a cape and.
Actually, this is the Superman of India, and that is the Family Man. So देखा जाए तो हर Family Man Superman ही होता है, because that's exactly what everybody is doing. And I must say that a big clap for all the women जो घर बैठती हैं ताकि उनके पति प्रधानमंत्री से अवार्ड ले सकें, है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? जी.
no, this idea was that, see, we really wanted to make a spy thriller for a very long time.
Yeah.
And, but अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे कि टॉम क्रूज को फिर से रिक्रिएट करेंगे या जेसन बोर्न को रिक्रिएट करेंगे तो डेरिवेटिव लगेगा. It look like same thing we're trying to do, you know, and
Right.
then you stylize it, slow motion. Imagine now Manoj Bajpayee, Shrikant Tiwari coming in jackets in slow motion, taking over.
Right.
So you know what I'm saying? So that was that's like been done and done really,
Yeah.
really well.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, we
So-
we're saving that for season 3. Yeah, carry on.
No. So we thought,
carry on.
let's go opposite. Let's go indigenous, very Indian. It has to be Desi spy, Desi agent. And what is Desi agent? You know, he is gonna go for sabzi.
Yeah.
He has to go figure out his rent. He's got to go figure out his daughter, son, and anything for that matter.
Yeah.
So then suddenly we knew it was gold. That, you know, imagine, and now you have a serious problems, not frivolous stuff, national security.
Yes.
Combine these two and you have an exciting character.
Yes. Absolutely. बॉम्बे में जब बाढ़ आती है तो वो इंसान जो झुग्गी झोपड़ी में रह रहा होता है वो दिन कैसे बिताता है जब उसके घर में पानी भर जाता है. देखा जाए तो वो अपने घर का सुपरमैन है, राइट? He has to rescue his family. You know, so the idea is a
Right.
brilliant idea.
And
And DK, what is the division of work between you two? Who does what? Who has the?
No, we don't.
किस चीज पे महारत है?
No, we don't divide up work like that.
Hmm.
That's the whole thing, right? We both do everything, and we both are capable of doing everything. But at the same time, on any given day, we kind of do an informal division, saying, okay, there are all these things to be done. Okay, why don't you handle those things, and why don't I handle these things? Okay, we do it, and the roles can be reversed the very next day. And so it's like a seamless process. I mean,
Okay.
maybe it's a good question to ask Manoj. Like a lot of times, I don't think he won't even remember in which scene which one of us was there or both of us was there or who was doing what. I think
Right.
at least I think to the actor, I think we project this. It's an entity. One of us is
Mhm.
doing something. It's like both of us are doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you know, I've spent a little bit of time with the IPS officers, bureaucrats, and they have some very interesting stories to say. Now, Neeraj Kumar, who's the ex-commissioner of police in Delhi, came up with this book called Dial M for Dawn. उसमें एक बड़ा अच्छा उन्होंने किस्सा बताया था कि हमको ऐसे सामने बैठ के बताया था कि there was this dreaded criminal. उनको वो पकड़ने बहुत साल पहले दिल्ली से बॉम्बे आए थे. He had escaped by then with his family. Something in that, you know, his gut told him he would come back to get his scooter, and that he did. And that's how he got caught. So Family
Wow.
Man, I saw some real instances how this entire thing operates. वो इतना बड़ा ऑफिसर है जो प्रधानमंत्री से अवार्ड लेता है, लेकिन वो वेस्ट, वो बुलेट प्रूफ जैकेट हर वक्त नहीं पहनता. Neither is he a bulked up man, you know, like a Singham or things like that. Very सीधा साधा. That's how most officers are, carrying a gun, while you would think that he's the most common civilian around. What is the research, on ground research, that you had to do for this project?
Most of the research is the research king, the research expert here is Suman Kumar. So who does a lot of research. So we need to be authentic. Even we strive to be authentic. Me and DK, we strive to be authentic, whatever we do.
Yes.
But Suman is a lot more of this geopolitics guy who understands what's going on, and he keeps himself updated a lot. He reads a lot. So we kind of trusted his judgment in terms of authenticity. And of course, you know, authenticity comes not just from, see, task doesn't exist. The department Shrikant Tiwari who works for does not exist. But the idea is to make it look authentic. So the people talk real, they're like, you know, they are like people we know. So that makes the whole thing looks authentic, even though it's not in a way.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true. Manoj ji, एक कहावत है कि India is like an elephant. So elephant की क्या होती है कि आंखें इतनी छोटी होती हैं कि वो अपनी पूरी बॉडी पीछे की देख नहीं पाता है. So we are also like that, a huge animal who probably don't realize the potential of our own existence. Now, आपका character है बनारस से, आपकी बीवी कहीं और से belong करती हैं, right? आपके बच्चे बॉम्बे के एक Christian school में पढ़ रहे हैं. Then from Bombay you go down south and then you explore various other territories. Language is a barrier, culture is a barrier. What is right and what is wrong, that too is a barrier. You come from Bihar. Now, and I guess Raj and DK have to be credited for this कि किस तरह से वो इन्होंने खास तौर से Family Man 2 में इंडिया को एक पूरा panoramic view दिखाया है, from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu to a little bit of Sri Lanka. Manoj, क्या कहेंगे आप about this cultural diversity that India has, but probably in the past filmmakers have not been able to capitalize on it on screen. और इस फिल्म में बहुत अच्छी तरह से हुई है, बहुत authentically हुई है.
इस series में the uniqueness of the series is just what you just been talking about. These two directors and Suman, Suman comes from he's a Tamilian from Bangalore. These two are somewhat Tamilian from Andhra Pradesh, and I am from somewhere else. I'm born and brought up somewhere else. I have done my college somewhere else, and theater somewhere else. I'm working somewhere else. But similarly, Srikanti, what is the series all about? Is also a reflection of the makers, thought process. That's how they look at the Indian cinema. That's how they look at the work of art in a country like India. It has to represent this diverse culture. It has to do justice to the idea of India. And that is why this is truly a pan-India show. It is, in the last season, if you had actors coming from Kashmir, you also had actors, magnificent actors coming from Kerala, the Malayalam industry. Okay, and in this one, if you have North Indian actors like me and Sharib and all of these guys, but you have such amazing actors, led by Samantha Prabhu and Priyamani coming from Tamil Nadu and Andhra. So when we all interact with each other, we are gaining a lot, subconsciously, without really saying too much. Or just by being on the same set and exchanging notes or exchanging laughter and pleasantries, you are only gaining. You are only, but you really don't realize that that is the, in that hour you are not telling yourself that, oh, you are from South India, I'm from North India. You are not talking like that. You are actually moving in a pack. Okay. And your target and your goal is the same. So this is if you really want to see how we work in the, for all the scenes, you should come, you should visit us, just be an onlooker and see how we all interact and and move together without even telling each other where we are from and what we are and where do we belong. We don't need to. It's only I always, felt and I believe that your set is the true representation of the character of the directors.
Right. True.
Okay. So वो आपको देखने को मिलेगा. And I keep telling people that, I'm very busy on the set of Family Man. We have too many things to can in one day. My mind is never, never empty. But just be there and be our guest and just see how these two directors work, how the actors do their things. It's amazing. I sit there sometime and observe all of them. It's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful experience to be on the set.
Yes, and these two are such brilliant and promising directors. Raj and DK, I am so thrilled to watch and observe just the technical competence that your series has come up with. Now, you change your cinematographer in Family Man too. Even the first one was amazing, but I as a viewer could feel the difference. The editing was so much more pacey, sharper. I thought the screenplay was also better this time. How much importance do you give to the technical aspects of filmmaking? How should the shot taking be, the camera work, the pace of the movie, things like that, and the casting which ultimately represents the diversity here?
The technical casting is extremely important to us because that's something DK's favorite. Like, if we have to pick and choose who's, we do everything together, but his favorite department is a lot more technical. So technical stuff is super important to us, because idea is not to idea is to get the best quality out in terms of with what we have. Of course, to pull off a series like this in the West, it would cost like 5 times this budget, or maybe 10 times. I don't know, but the idea is, how do we stretch this budget into getting a lot more than. Nobody's asking for a single shot. Nobody's asking for this much action. When the initial script came in, people were surprised there was so much action, and the budget is nowhere near an action budget series. But we were confident we can pull it off. So the idea is that let's pack in more, let's surprise more, let's do the unexpected. So technical craft is super important to us.
Yeah, we also believe, like in general, as filmmakers, from the genesis of our first film also, budgets notwithstanding, and ability notwithstanding, resources notwithstanding, we've always believed that a movie is more than about just storytelling, right? In just making a film, there is a story you tell, there is the concept and the heart in the film, and then there is a craft in the film. And we've always believed it's important. Both are equally important in a good film. It's not enough to tell a good story. It's important to tell a good story well. I mean, somewhere we did believe that.
And I guess, Raj and DK, your career, more than 10 years, a little over 10 years. Manoj Bajpayee's career is a little over 25 years. And despite so many problems that you guys have faced in your career, you stuck to your ground कि अच्छा काम करना है, चाहे कम काम करना है. In the end, I shall prevail. Tell me about this consistency and persistence that you have as a person. I know मनोज ने कई इंटरव्यूज में भी बोला है कि मेरा कई बार मन करता था कि मैं वापस अपने गांव चला जाऊं, लेकिन मैं जाता नहीं था, क्योंकि इनको पता था कि मैं ना रोमांस जॉनरा में मुझे कोई फिट कर पा रहा है, ना एक्शन में फिट कर पा रहा है. लेकिन one day I shall prevail, and that day has come, that phase has come. But how has this patience for you paid off for you, and what is the price you had to pay for this?
I'm really fascinated by this craft called acting. Okay, it's an ongoing learning that is happening, whether whether from your own mistakes or just by watching few magnificent performances from all over the world, from such amazing actors who are coming up. Even this year or last year, I have seen few of the Indian series and the Indian actors who got opportunity and they hit it out of the park. And for me, more than their success, what I look for is how they are approaching their roles, how they are approaching their method. When I watch Malayalam cinema, few of the actors completely blow my mind. And though they are not from my generation, they've come recently. They've just come up. But similarly, when I go to Chennai, I have a list of directors that I want to meet up. Okay, I have a list of actors that I want to meet up with. It's purely, it has nothing to do with professional job. It has to do with, to learn from them, to sit with them, to understand them. Okay, I mean, definitely Vetrimaran is not going to make a film with me because he makes his film in Tamil. But it's pure curiosity to know his mind, to know his craft, to understand him, or with Vijay Sethupathi, I admired him so much. So that only for that reason, I wanted to just sit with him, chat with him, to understand another actor and his mind and his thought process. It's just that. So that's how much I love this job. I think to really prevail, as you said it, or to sustain this, any kind of a success and failure is secondary. I really feel that if you love your job, if you love your craft, if you're fascinated with it, if you are in love with it, you can actually you will not eventually think of all the bad days or the down days. All of it start looking or blurring away. I personally feel that.
For a person more than 25 years in the industry, and for a person who doesn't do romantic roles too often or action roles too often, yet staying relevant, being in the race, every director, producer sees you as an A-list actor who should be cast in a title role. What is the art of staying relevant like this? It's a beautiful craft, art, a skill that you have been gifted with. Kaise?
Um, and it's nothing. It's always having the one thing I'm blessed with is the patience. Okay, I can proudly say that I have loads of patience to work for the right role and
Hmm.
for the right script.
Hmm.
Uh, I think and that's the only way you can actually you know think of doing good work. I mean, just
Hmm.
now Raj was talking about it. I
Hmm.
mean, more than 10 years in this industry, they stuck to their guns. Okay,
Hmm.
when you stick to your guns, it's not about being arrogant. It's about what you are very clear as to what you want to do with yourself, with your life, with your career. I know how you are looking at it. It's never about living somebody else's dream. It's always about living your own dream. And how you look at yourself
तो मनोज
as a
आपकी शर्तें अपने लिए क्या थी कि मैं ये नहीं करूंगा? I think
the,
you've not done roles of a villain too.
these were the thing is how Dusty looked at villains in 98 or 97 or 96. I didn't agree with. Okay, I when I look at villains from that time, I didn't agree with it. I mean audience enjoyed it though.
Hmm.
I have myself grown up watching those films.
Hmm.
But somewhere when it came to doing it, I felt that there are no villains and there are no heroes. And Raj and DK happened to be believing in the same kind of thinking.
Yeah.
So when they write their scripts, I'm so fascinated with Musa's world. With Raj, there are no villains. Everyone is the hero of their own story. So
Yeah.
uh, the directors that I have worked with, most of them most of them of the same opinion that the each and every role, each and every character is has the possibility of being the hero of their own story, or
Yeah.
being the hero of of their own film. So that's
Hmm.
how characters are. They are never black or white. So
Correct.
those were the things very clear in my mind. So in the beginning, after Satya, I had to stop myself. I really had to stop myself because all the offers were of villains, because that's how this industry could see me. And
Yeah.
it was not their fault, because we were
Hmm.
not making the kind of films that we watch today, or the content that we see on OTT.
Yeah.
That so without really thinking that it's their fault, I had the patience of waiting for the right script.
Yeah.
So that's how it's always about knowing your mind, knowing yourself and your ambition and your dream clearly as to what you want to do with yourself and your actor.
And finally, Raj and DK, I must say this to you, that many people did actually observe this, that in the first series, you had Kashmir in the pivotal position, and this time you had the Tamil whole liberation, the fighters, and never did you once kind of take sides. It's a very important skill that every filmmaker should have, that you just observe what is happening around you and not take sides.
Yeah, that's been our stance all along as filmmakers, that the idea is to not push a specific objective or a point of view, but to actually observe and be the observers and not necessarily comment on a
Yeah.
situation. The idea is to present this side, that side, whatever sides that involves,
Yeah.
and you be the judge and you decide what you want to do. Most of the times you are part of the process. As you're watching it, you form certain ideas, and that's the fun of it. That's the fun of not spelling out everything or not putting a plan out there.
Yes, and not underestimate your viewers. And you're a very smart duo, filmmaker duo. Thank you so much for doing what you're doing, because we get to watch a lot of intelligent stuff. And Manoj ki jo agli series hai, Ray, that is also released. Manoj, you're on top of your game right now.
You are also there. You are also acting, right? In my story. Even
Yes.
just to tell the
Wow.
world and Raj and DK that she is also acting today.
Oh, is she? I didn't know. Oh, wow.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I
That's
don't know.
a clever plug-in. I hope you'll forgive me for that. But my question remains that, Manoj, Ray, a very prestigious project on another OTT platform, Family Man, huge success, huge success. How do you feel right now? Vindicated? Maza aa raha hai? Must? Life is good? family is happy?
नहीं, अभी सब तो सही ही चल रहा है कुछ सालों से.
Of course.
You know, God has been kind since since few years. Yeah, I mean, when you have choices to make, that is why you need your projects or your films or your shows to be successful and so that you have choices to make. If you have choices to make, then that's a very good position to be in.
Yes, and you can make smart choices now, which you have been making for so many, actually decades now. Thank you for doing that. Manoj, Raj, DK, बहुत शुक्रिया and all the best for all your future projects.
Thank you, Aditya.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Aditya.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.